On the left-hand side from the Canva homepage, go to Canva AI. Here you can describe your idea that you want Canva AI to help you design. So rather than designing from scratch or from a template, you can tell Canva exactly what it is that you want to design. So the more descriptive that your prompt is, the better the result will be. So you can also use some of these ideas here if you have any questions, or if you're stuck on what it is that you want to create, you can come over here to get some ideas and inspiration on what it is that you want to design, and then click on any of these if you think that it's suitable for your needs. So here I'm just going to say create a birthday invitation that is 80s themed. And I'm just going to go ahead and click submit. So Canva has given me a couple of options of my design, and I can tweak my prompt here to make it more descriptive. I can use some of these suggestions here at the bottom to improve the designs that Canva has made. And if I want to start editing some of these designs myself, I can click on the bottom right corner, the pencil icon, and I can come over to the top and just use Canva Editor. And now I can directly edit this design on Canva. So I can change the placement, I can change colors to whatever I want, I can change the font size. I can basically make this for a custom designed birthday invitation. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.